Spring has finally come to Winnipeg. So many cars in the highways, now at normal driving speed. No more snow, and the streets are as clean to really push you to drive around during the weekend. Driving is fun as we come out from the long winter and take a refreshing, fresh air. Spring going onwards to summer is going to be exciting as most plan to go for fishing and other outdoor funs. Okay, let's head down to my favorite place as most do. Here we go. Let's drop by for a coffee at Tim Hortons. Now going inside to buy my coffee. It's still cold out here. Change of temperature needs some time before it really becomes warm, to about 30 degrees centigrade. I find it relaxing to hang around this place after a long drive from this highway. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.